This is a teach of It Ain't My Fault by Brandon Zahorsky. It's a 32 count 4-wall dance. You begin with your weight on your left and we're going to walk forward. So we walk forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch. The first 8 with counts: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on, we cross, point, back, point, back, point. With counts, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Moving on for the next chunk, we back rock, recover, triple step, forward, step, turn, triple step, forward. And with your weight on your left. With counts, the third 8 are 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we're now facing the 6 o'clock wall. That turn is to your right. So it's back rock, triple step forward, step turn a half right, triple step forward. Now we're facing 6 o'clock. We do a jazz box, cross, back, side, forward. And now we do a jazz box, turning a quarter right, cross, back, turn, together. We're facing 9 o'clock, and that's the end of the dance. With counts, I'll do that last 8 with my back to you. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. End of the dance. Let's put it all together. So weight is on our left. We're walking forward, 5, 6, 7, 8, forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, forward, point, back, point, back, rock, triple step, step turn a half, triple step, jazz box, a quarter right, begin again, forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, cross, point, back, rock, triple step, step, turn, triple step, jazz box, turn, forward, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, cross, point, back, rock, triple step, step, turn, triple step, jazz box, turn, forward, 1, 2, 3, kick, back, 2, 3, touch, cross, point, back, rock, triple step, step, turn, triple step, jazz box, turn. End of dance. This dance has 2 fun tags and 1 restart. The tags are at the end of wall 2 and 4, and it's simple stomp, stomp. And if you practice and listen to the music, you'll hear it. And there's 1 restart on wall 8. You'll be facing 3 o'clock. You'll walk forward, kick, back, touch, and then you'll walk forward, kick again. Let me go through the whole dance one more time with counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's It Ain't My Fault by Brandon Zahorsky.